And David Taylor from USA in the red. For how many more times, we can't be sure, but maybe the last time. It's not the medal both came to fight for. They both lost to Abdul Rashid Sadulayev. Instead they meet in the bronze medal contest, and what a contest it is. George Ram is alongside me for this one. It's got fireworks all over it, George.
Oh yeah, it really has. You've got a mix of styles between these two. You've got David Taylor, who loves to go on those low shots, low ankles, work on the legs. You've got Gasempuru, who's very physically strong, loves those upper body holds, underhooks, loves to run his man off the mat almost. Wrestles a little bit like a Greco-Roman wrestler sometimes, but the clash of two styles from these two wrestling legends.
This is, of course, Gasempuru's weight class, however. This is the class that he's been world champion in 2021, 2022 as well. Taylor, a three-time world champion, of course, but that's up at down at 86 kilograms. Gasimpur so close to beating Sadulayev yesterday night. He was seconds away from it, in fact.
Single leg snatch attempt there from Gasimpur, but then Taylor just doing well. Front headlock, goes to that snatch single, but also doesn't get it, doesn't get close enough. David Taylor just doing enough to put this Gasimpur on the activity clock. Does not score in that 20 seconds next to his name. Will get awarded 1 point, but so far doing a great job on that single, finishing up for the double, gets the 2 points. And by doing so, kills the activity time as well, so.
George, it's not something we've seen at the World Championships on our screens for the entirety of the competition, is scoring under passivity.
Just great work from Gasimpur, just managed to clear that hand tie, shooting on that single. And once he's on there, you saw it with Sadulayev, he's so physically strong, he can finish there really well.
Taylor losing 7-0 to Sadulayev in his first round match. Gasimpur 5-3, he lost.
Taylor just going for his own shot there. Gasimpur managed to sprawl, get that chest wrap and just hold him at bay.
Seconds ticking down in the first 3 minutes. Gasimpur with the 2-0 lead. And 30. Both these two men are built like super soldiers. Gasimpur is just so powerful when he drives it through, but then there's the deftness as well, stepping out of that shot from Taylor.
Shot attempt from Gasimpur. Taylor sprawls, shot from Taylor. Gasimpur sprawls, both on the edge. Beautiful shot there. Beautiful work from David Taylor. Switches the angle, cuts him back. Now going for that leg ride attempt. And this is exactly what I'm talking about by moving his feet and hands simultaneously. Before it was just hands, then feet. Now it was hands and feet at the same time. Beautiful shot from Taylor on the clock. Lightning fast high crotch there.
He's got Gasimpur on the run. The Magic Man producing a touch of it. 4-2 ahead. 2 minutes remaining. Bronze medal up for grabs at 92 kilos. David Teylor has come out of retirement for this competition because he wasn't done yet. The fires were relit over the summer watching the Paris Olympics. Qualified through US trials to be here to face Sadulayev principally, but Gasimpur the bonus encounter. And now it's the encounter to salvage the campaign after losing to Sadulayev. 4-2 ahead into the last 90 seconds.
Canadian-American coaches shouting that David Teylor needs to keep moving, needs to move his feet, don't stay still against the powerful Iranian. Can't afford to just relax and switch off for a second. With 35 seconds left on this clock, it's going to be incredibly close towards the end. Shot from Gasimpur, the good attempt. Underhook block from Teylor. 20 seconds left.
Gasimpur knows how to leave it late. Teylor so focused, furrows the brow, gets ready for the barrage. Just on the edge for two. And for Teylor to come up with it. The victory over Gasimpur. The bronze medal secured. And the USA flags flying. David Teylor wins at the World Championships. He's been the champ 3 times before. This time at 92 kilos, it's a bronze.